I'm calling for you.
Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox this Outre wig. It is the clear wig in the color brown sugar. Inside the package you have instruction how to wash and take care of the wig, and what I like about it is that the hairline was hand plucked, so natural. Of course the color is giving Beyonce, like so pretty. Girl, don't put too much foundation in your wig cap like me. I also put it on the lace directly and I make sure that everything was secured. And then I use the infamous got to be spray all over my hairline, and you just want to make sure you spray a little bit. And then you use a hair drying to make it tacky. You place your wig back and put got to be spray on top again. And then I use this paper used by professionals hairstylists to just snatch lace pieces, giving catfish. 15 minutes later I came back just to style the wig because it was looking a little bit crazy, and you can already tell it's a very tangly. Really, yes, this wig, wait for my review. Because so I did a middle part and I used some foundation just to try to blend everything because the wig cap was too much at the back, girl. It's not natural. I screwed up. I tried to save the look by using some mousse at the front to make it a little bit more natural, even though I didn't place the wig properly. And girl, can we talk a minute about this? I can already tell you that the review is not gonna be good. And then I use a curling iron to give more volume at the front because she was looking flat.
Yeah. Can you feel me from the other side? I know I did you so wrong, but I hope that you know I'm praying for.
This unit was so much work, but it's fine. The review is not done. Let's see each other's in about like 4 or 5 hours. I don't know if she's gonna help because girl, she's shedding so much. I'm definitely gonna bring this baby boy with me because yo, it's shedding and it's so windy outside. So oh my god, you see, so windy. I didn't really have the time to do baby or whatever because I'm super late. Time for the final review. Honestly, for synthetic wig, she's not so bad. However, I will not recommend you to buy this and expecting it to wear it every day of the week. She's just too much work. You have to carry on a comb with you because look at this. Yes, I will only buy it for like a photo shoot, a graduation picture, or a wedding. Because yeah, girl, the price, no. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. See you into the next one. Bye.